Why is my Samsung Galaxy M33 5G connected but not charging? The Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is a mid-range phone chipset device on its time of launching, that is renowned for its outstanding features and advanced technology. However, you may encounter an issue where the device is connected to a charger but not charging. This can be a frustrating and confusing problem. In this video, we will discuss the reasons why this may happen, provide troubleshooting instructions for viewers to follow, and offer practical tips for preventing similar problems in the future. If you have a Samsung Galaxy M33 5G and you are facing the problem of your phone being connected but not charging, you are not alone. Many users have reported this issue on various forums and platforms. This can be very frustrating, especially if you need to use your phone urgently or if you have important data on it. Possible reasons Samsung Galaxy M33 5G is not charging. There are several reasons why your Samsung Galaxy M33 5G may not be charging. 1. Faulty charger or cable. If there is an issue with the charger or USB cable, your device will not charge. It could be a broken cable or a faulty charging port. 2. Software issues. Your device could have software issues that are preventing it from charging correctly. This could be due to an outdated operating system, hardware conflicts or malware. 3. Overheating. If your device gets too hot, it may stop charging to prevent damage to its components. 4. Battery issues. The battery may be damaged or strained. This could happen due to old age or overuse. Troubleshooting instructions. 1. Check cables and adapters. Start by checking the charger, cable, and adapter. Make sure they are not damaged, and that they are plugged in correctly. 2. Clean the charging port. If there is any dirt or debris in the charging port, it could prevent the device from charging correctly. Try cleaning the charging port with a soft bristled brush. 3. Restart your device. If there are any software issues, a simple restart could resolve the problem. Try restarting your device, and check if it charges. 4. Factory reset. If the issue persists after restarting, try doing a factory reset. This will erase all data on your device, so make sure you have a backup before proceeding. 5. Contact a professional. If these steps do not work, contact a professional repair service or the manufacturer to seek assistance. Preventing similar problems in the future. Here are some practical tips to help you prevent similar problems in the future. 1. Use original chargers. Always use the original chargers that come with the device. Using third-party chargers and cables could damage the charging port and battery. 2. Avoid extreme temperatures. Do not expose your device to high or low temperatures, as this could damage the battery and prevent it from charging. 3. Keep your device updated. Always keep your device updated with the latest software updates. This will ensure that your device is functioning correctly. 4. Avoid overcharging. Overcharging your device can damage the battery. To prevent this, unplug the charger once your device is fully charged. In conclusion, a Samsung Galaxy M33 5G may not charge due to several reasons such as faulty chargers or cables, software issues, overheating, or battery issues. Troubleshooting steps include checking cables and adapters, restarting the device, doing a factory reset, and contacting a professional. By following the practical tips outlined in this article, you can prevent similar problems in the future. If you encounter problems that you cannot resolve, do not hesitate to seek professional assistance. Still, have issues with your Samsung Galaxy M33 5G phone? Please back up data if possible and bring it to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. The team could help you out. Please visit the website https://sydneycbd.repair/ for a human live chat.